Want to get the perfect balance between image quality and capture speed on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? The intelligent optimization feature in the camera app gives you full control over how your phone processes your photos, from fast snapping to detail enhancement. Here's how to find it and choose the right setting. First, open camera app. Tap the quick control icon, then tap setting icon, tap intelligent optimization. Here you will see three options available. Maximum. This provides the best picture quality by applying full post processing. It may take a bit longer to capture the photo, but the results are more vivid and detailed. Medium. It speeds up the capture time by doing less optimization, a good balance between speed and quality. And minimum. It takes pictures as fast as possible by skipping post-processing entirely. Perfect for burst shot or quick capture, but the image may look more raw. As the example, let's go with maximum. Once you do that, you will notice an extra setting available called Scene Optimizer. Turn this option on to automatically enhance your photos by improving color and contrast to make dark scene look brighter, food look tastier, and landscape more vivid. Given to the function, intelligent optimization helps you choose what matters more, speed or picture quality. So if you want rich, vibrant shot every time, maximum with scene optimizer is the way to go. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.